Hey guys, hope you're well. I'm pretty settled into the new house now, so I think I will have some time to make more videos like this in the upcoming weeks or so. And today I just wanted to share a bag that I have been stalking for months since I found out it was coming out. And what's surprising is that it's actually from the men's collection. And I don't know about you, not that I think fashion has, it's only for women or men, but I think I've never really been intrigued to buy something from the men's collection until now, and I can't wait to share with you guys because I think I found the perfect everyday mommy bag. A quick story as to why I ended up with this bag right here. I've had the pochette Matisse in reverse monogram since it first came out. I actually bought it in Paris. I loved that bag, abused it to death. And after 3 years, I started getting some glazing issues, and I think eventually I came to realize that that was a problem of the bag and not necessarily my wear and tear on the bag. And so after bringing it to Louis Vuitton, they offered me a replacement, and I didn't end up feeling like I needed to replace it with a pochette Matisse. Basically, I have a void in my collection for a bag that is practical for everyday use, hands-free, and like a crossbody medium-sized bag. So I have been on the hunt for that, and I just can't find the right bag. I've tried the Odeon, the new messenger bag, and I'm sorry if you love it, but it's just not for me. I've tried many other crossbodies within that size. The closest thing I have is probably an Alma BB, but it's not exactly the same as far as functionality and, just the vibe of a casual crossbody like the pochette Matisse. So one random night at, 3 a.m. when you can't sleep and you're just stalking upcoming releases, I saw that they would be coming out with this. And this is the Outdoor Messenger bag from the men's collection in the Tigerama canvas. And it is in fuchsia hot pink. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm a very casual and neutral, almost boring kind of girl. I wear black, white all the time. And I don't know what it is about this bag, but something about the fuchsia hot pink, really casual, cute messenger bag style drew me in. And since its release, I have been dying to get it. And plot twist, I actually didn't get the pink one. It's been sold out, and my essay isn't able to order me one, and I have been stalking it on the website. But I did end up going to Fashion Island recently, and the small Louis Vuitton they had inside the Neiman Marcus had the other colorway. And let me just show you guys. I need to just stop talking and show you guys. Out of all the bags I own, this is probably one that will shock many people who know me, including my husband. When he saw it, he's like, huh? Really? Because I don't even wear a lot of blue. So let me just show you guys. Look how pretty she is. He is. I'm gonna call her she. She is. So I did end up getting it in the denim colorway, which I would have never thought I would ever get because like I said, I don't wear blue that much, if at all. I do wear denim here and there, but truthfully, not very often. And so for me to get this bag was such a big surprise, but I could not be happier. And can you see how pretty it is? The color, I guess it's showing a bit true to size. It's definitely like a very powdery sky blue, but it has enough color in it. It's not like pastel or anything, but it's surprisingly a very wearable color, if you know what I mean. So I got a little bit ahead of myself there, and I haven't even mentioned what it's called. So this, you guys, is a Louis Vuitton Outdoor Messenger bag from the men's collection. Now this isn't a new bag. I believe they always have it in like their classic styles in the black, and it's the black Tigerama with the print over here and likewise in the back. And recently they did come out with a white one. It's not really a true white. It's kind of like a creamy warm white, and I did try that on in store and I did like it. And surprisingly, I thought I would have picked the white one or the black one over something like this, but this just gives me so much joy, and I'm not sure why. It's just so unique. And truthfully, I have been kind of, what's the word? I haven't been enjoying my monogram pieces as much from Louis Vuitton. Even my damier, ebene, and azur pieces, I'm kind of really not wearing at the moment. I don't know why again. I almost feel like I was just looking for something completely different that, you know, when I go out and about, I don't have the same bag as everyone else. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but I think it's just a phase I'm going through where I don't know. I think going forward, just want to collect more unique pieces that, you know, I still very much enjoy. And at the same time, I think this is very fun and trendy, but pretty classic. Like, I don't ever think I would ever get sick of this. And that's the main reason why I didn't get the fuchsia one, because at the time I got this, the essay over there at Neiman Marcus said that she is able to order one for me. I had the hard decision of choosing between this or the fuchsia pink. And when it came down to it, she had a belt in the same collection of the fuchsia pink in store. And when I saw it, it's actually pretty bright. It's neon highlighter pink. And while I do love it and it makes my heart flutter, I think I don't really know if I'm gonna love it for a long time. I think I might have it in the fuchsia pink, love it for the summer, and then I'm not sure how, you know, 32-year-old me in the future would wanna be wearing like that bright of a piece. Again, you know, fashion knows no age, but it's just, I'm not that loud as a person when I dress, so I don't really know how much I would like the fuchsia pink in this bag. I think this color is just as classic as its name, which is denim, because I don't really foresee, you know, this going out of style, and it's so beautiful and just unique. So I haven't even shown you guys the full bag. I'm getting too excited. Let me show you guys the strap now. So inside, it's stored that way. It's a little bit bent because it was stored coiled like this inside, but this is the strap. And it's the same canvas that goes throughout the bag. This is the part that goes on your shoulder as well, so it's super comfortable to wear, I would imagine, because it's quite thick, and no matter how heavy your bag is, it's very well supported. The only thing I wasn't sure about this bag was truthfully this part right here. I've never really owned a purse where it was a cloth, you know, versus a leather piece here. But honestly, the more I think about it, you know, I would never really wear this bag dressy. I would never wear this, you know, date night or anything. So this bag is solely for everyday, day-to-day, you know, errands. And like I said, I do work in a coffee shop, bake shop. I have one and I'm opening my second location. So this is a perfect like grab and go bag, and it fits a lot of things inside, as you can imagine. There's only 2 pockets. This is the main pocket right here. And I'll get you the tag in a bit. So it does have the Louis Vuitton right here. And this is made in Italy. There's an inner pocket here. The main pocket there. You can see. And it is a cotton fabric lining inside. The outside pocket has a zipper right here and a pretty generous pocket here as well. And I'm quite excited. I don't really own a bag that has silver hardware. I think most, if not all, my bag have a shiny gold hardware. So for something like this that's super casual, I think this really pops on this blue. And yeah, I don't think I will have an issue with this fabric strap right here because it is such a casual bag. And I can only imagine, like, this would be the perfect Disneyland bag. And don't lie, I'm sure you have a Disneyland bag that you wear to Disneyland and any amusement park. And I think this would also make a great travel bag. So let me show you what it looks like on. To give you reference, I have a Kirkland standard water bottle here, and I have my daughter's Komotomo milk bottle here, and I'm pretty sure these can both fit pretty nicely inside the bag. Yes, it fits pretty comfortably inside. Not standing up though, it's laying down. This would be it standing up. It can almost fit. I guess you could just leave the bag open. And my daughter's milk bottle fits perfectly inside as well. This is what the bag looks like on. And I think with just a plain white t-shirt and some jeans or some leggings, yoga pants, this would look just super cute. And depending what I wear, I actually wouldn't mind having it higher up here. I gotta give a shout out to Cindy from A Heated Mess. I am obsessed with her YouTube page. I see myself a lot in her, and I think we just like the same things. And she actually has this bag in the black that she talks about quite a bit. And that's the first time I ever, you know, piqued interest on this bag. So Cindy, if you're watching, I don't think you would be, but if you are, I'm very inspired by you. And this was pretty much a purchase inspired by you as well, because I would have never thought to look at the men's collection. And she does have kids as well, and so anything she says that's mommy friendly I am all about, because as a new mom, you know, it kind of changes also what I carry around. So definitely am in love with this, and I'm pretty sure I will get a lot of use out of this, especially in the coming months where it's gonna be hot out and the parks are reopening. So I think this would be the perfect Disneyland bag. Here's the code if you need it. Can you hear my daughter's Coco Melon in the background? I swear, that is all she listens to nowadays. And, you know, I'm not gonna lie, I know every lyric to every Coco Melon song. Any moms can relate, comment down below. This bag does retail for $2,090, so it is quite a lot of money still for an all canvas piece. It's very comparable to a Pochette Métis. I think it's slightly more than a Pochette Métis in the canvas, actually. So it's definitely comparable in price point, but I think you are getting a lot more in this bag as far as space, because the Pochette Métis has the divider in the middle, so it doesn't have like a big, you know, black hole like this. I think I've covered all grounds. Again, do let me know if you have any questions down below, and I thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Till then, stay safe and well. Hey guys, I forgot to mention that the hardware on here is actually a shiny silver. I think in the video I still had the plastic sheet covering this, so I know some people like to keep that plastic thing on, but I don't really like to, because I like to use my bags, like I said, and I don't try to baby them as much. So I'll just try to take this out. All right, so you can see it's a super shiny silver hardware piece, and I'm sure it'll get scratched up in time, but as of right now, it's perfect. Also forgot to mention in my video, I just remember this while I'm about to edit, but this is made out of the taiga, the men's taiga leather. It's kind of similar to epi, but I think it's a little bit softer in feeling. The epi tends to be a little bit stiff, and this is a coated canvas similar to the regular women's monogram. So canvas, this is like a textile strap, and this is taiga leather, and the back is that canvas as well. All right, I think I've covered everything I needed to, and yep, let me know if you have any questions below. Thanks for watching.